Hi everybody, Super Samuel here, and I'm going to show you a custom train, which this is me as a Thomas character. So my train is based off of an American steam engine. I used Thomas and Friends wood 2018 James, and the tender comes from original Wooden Railway James tender. I made the face, the sloped parts, and the domes out of clay, and I removed the square thing between the cabin boiler with a Dremel, of which I honestly didn't know I even had. Which I'm glad I did. Yeah. Samuel at the bottom, nothing at the bottom of the tender. And yeah, also is one of the very few trains to actually have hair. Couldn't write my name on the nameplates because it's paint that I was using, and I can't write small letters with paint. Also, 0208 on the cab, which is a reference to my username, and is also a build number for him. And the number 6 on the tender is supposed to indicate that this train is number 6 on the railway. And no, he is not at number 6 of Sir Topham Hatt's railway, as that railway already has a number 6. Oh yeah, and there's the name, back, the front, and then right there. So, yeah. Also, I have 2 more custom trains to show you. Next up is, Tom, not to be confused with Thomas. He's a yellow, American diesel. Made the face out of clay, and there's his name on the bottom. I used an off-brand diesel engine to make him. Yeah. And then last is Kski, who came from the North Shore Railroad. I made him from Orbrium Toys unpainted train pack. I was originally gonna make this into a CSX diesel, but I didn't have dark blue at the time, so I couldn't do it. So I decided to make this instead. Turned out pretty good. And there's the face I painted on. And his name at the bottom, Polski. So yeah, and I have many other custom trains, but I'll show them to you in another video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button, comment, request in our comments, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.